Okay. Model 421. Okay, do $1.25. 572. All right. Maybe I don't even have to close the drawer. 333. Charge $4.68. Paid out $8.54. Okay. There's the these are the counter resets. That's the customer counter, paid out, charge, all that kind of good shit. This was a, is a, the paper receipt. There's a little ink in there, but it's not bad. This is all mechanical, by the way. There are no electrics to this. And also, let me see if I could do that. It also registers on the back of the, both sides, front and back. All right. Okay. And on the slot machine, okay. You see the escalator here, the quarter escalator. It works fine. Well, I got a payout. Oh, I hope I got that on tape. All right. Okay. That's that. All right.